Hi everybody, this is just a quick video tutorial to show you how to fill out your form, which is the assignment for peer grading tomorrow. So starting at your My Southwest homepage, if you hop onto the Blackboard Learn, but before you go there, just make sure that you click Gmail and that you're logged into your Gmail through My Southwest. So if you got that, there we are. Dr. Ferguson has an Ipsy glam bag. We can make fun of her for that later. All right, so we click onto Blackboard and we go into our class, going into our weekly assignments for this week. We go to week 2 and we're going into our peer editing. So you're just going to click on this Google form. If you are logged into your My Southwest email, it will go into the form right here. A big reason why we want you to practice with these Google Forms is because we heard a few of you are going to Virginia Tech. Virginia Tech uses Google email. That's the email actually I use the most. And they use this Google suite of applications, so this is going to be pretty common for you. Now, if you have a digital copy of the essay that you are helping your partner with, it's really easy to copy and paste some of the things in to answer part of the questions. Just make sure that you're following directions and answering those questions completely. Don't just say yes and move on. So I'm going to just fill out a sample one. Walt is my son who's jumping around in the background, so if you hear a child making noise, that's what's up. And so you guys will fill in, making sure you're answering these questions completely. Now, while I type gibberish into these, also be aware, another reason that we're having you do this is because many of you guys have said that you hate group work, and I get it. I hated group work when I was your age too, because either I would end up doing all of the work because my group mates were lazy, or I would end up doing all the work because I'm crazy and would say, I want to get an A and I don't trust you guys, so I'm going to do all of it myself. This form makes sure that you guys are going to do this work with fidelity, faithfully, because everyone can see the responses that you give to these questions. And if you're not providing quality feedback, we're going to send you a little email that says, hey, next time you're doing this, make sure you give more feedback than just yes or no answers so that we can make sure that this is worthwhile. Okay, so after you have finished filling out the form in not SpongeBob Doodlebob language, you'll click send me a copy of my responses and submit. And there we go. After we have submitted it, your answers will show up in your Gmail for Southwest. Likewise, Dr. Ferguson and I will be able to see your responses again, so we can make sure that you're giving good feedback to your partners. You should forward this email with your responses over to your partner. So you'll just forward. And I'm going to pretend that I'm my own partner. And send that so that your partner has a copy of your answers as well. But let's say you mess up and you forget to click that. Well, it's okay, because you'll be able to see previous responses. And once we all fill out, you'll be able to go back and see what every person who responds to this form says, so you can pull it up that way as well. It's easier just to do it the email way. All right, so we are excited for you guys to try this. We're going to incorporate more technology in here as much as we can, so you get experience using the technology along with improving your writing. These are all important skills. I hope that this helps, and I wish you the best of luck on your first essays. I can't wait to take a look at them.